with us tonight. Hello, I'm Brad Bird.
And I'm Shelley Kirk. As people continue to sift through the destruction in Middle Tennessee, Tri-Staters are looking to come to the aid of victims of those tornadoes earlier this week.
Well, the city of Evansville is using the Ohio Valley Conference tournament to collect donations. Eyewitness News' Raven Ford is live down at Ford Center with Evansville Mayor Lloyd Winnecke. Raven?
I'm here with Mayor Winnecke, and we are actually discussing some news that you have for us. But first, we want to talk about the tornadoes in Nashville. What were your thoughts when you heard that?
Well, certainly our hearts went out to them. Our city and our region has a history of being devastated by tornadoes as well. So we understand the pain and suffering. Because of the city of Evansville's relationship with the Ohio Valley Conference and this tournament, we feel a special bond with Nashville and all of Central Tennessee. So we think it's important to play a part in trying to help those that are devastated. So we want people to come to the Ford Center ready to make some financial contributions.
Now, is there a goal that you're aiming for to help with this relief project?
We don't have a specific dollar goal. We want people to come to the Ford Center with an open heart, and we understand that a lot of these folks will be visiting the Ford Center are fans of the schools that are represented in this tournament. We get that, and they may be contributing elsewhere, but we also know that we'll have a lot of fans from Evansville and all over the tri-state that will come and want to drop some money into a contribution basket. So that location is set up at the merchandise table in the lobby of the first Ford Center. Very easy to see, and we look forward to people being as generous as they can.
Now, will that be the only box, or will there be other places they can donate, or how many boxes will be in the
So there'll be one location in the Ford Center at the merchandise table.
Perfect. And any other things that you guys are doing to help relieve some of this?
We want to do anything we can, and we understand that the communities in Nashville and Central Tennessee are overwhelmed by the outpouring of support from our city and from other communities. So this is probably the best way to help right now with financial contributions, and we want to honor that request.
Perfect. Now, making your way to the OVC tournament, you heard it, is a good way to donate to the Tornado and National Relief Fund here in Evansville. Live at the Ford Center, Raven Ford, Eyewitness News.